Okay, so this is me. What's up, everybody? I am finishing off the frame project that I started yesterday. Um, I still have one more frame to make. So this is one of the frames, but you'll notice the paper is kind of sticking out. I completely failed on this. The frame is fine. The problem is I didn't stick the paper to the back, so I'm just taking these screws off right here. I'm just taking those off, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue the paper down, and then I'll get working on the other frame. I'll get that sanded down, then I'll get it stained, and then I'll go ahead and put it together to match the frame that I have here, and then these frames should be done. Um, I finished my little wood push. It looks like a big kazoo, but I finished my wood push yesterday. The only part that I still have to do is these whatchamacallits. What are they? I always forget. Grommets, there it is. Because grommets, these are fabric grommets, and you're supposed to hammer them down. Because I added them to this wood, I have to glue it down, but I obviously can't use wood glue because it's not wood. I have some super glue here that I'm gonna attempt to use. I don't know how super glue works with wood. I think it works fine, but I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I finished this off yesterday. A little wood push to use right here to get my wood through on my table saw. And then I'm gonna start working on Mom's bookshelf. So my mother wants a bookshelf that is roughly this high and then maybe this wide. I have the dimensions, they're on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone right now. So I'm just gonna keep working, and we'll check in a little later. All right, thanks guys. I love days like today, and it's super cloudy outside and rainy, and it's wonderful. So I'm gonna play some music, and I'm gonna get working on my thing. All right, thanks guys. What's up? So I am working on the second frame. Again, creating a frame from this wood, which it used to be the sides of a dresser drawer, but it's solid wood, like really, really solid wood. So I cut these pieces into just strips, just half an inch. Again, it's really solid wood. I sanded these down on the edges, and then I stained it all. And then I put it together like this. I added what you will notice on kitchen sinks. It's the vinyl that goes on top of particle board if you have a kitchen sink or something. So I'm actually using this vinyl sheeting. It's pretty sturdy, but still fairly flexible. I'm using this vinyl sheeting as the backing of the frame, and then I'm adding just 2 screws and a little bit of wire here. And again, I'm a big fan of just taking whatever I can find around the house and turning it into something. I like to recycle stuff, so I have some old fishing wire that's serving as the support, and then 2 screws on the sides, and then just some connectors. Putting it all together, and then it will hang on the wall like so. So this is the complete product. I'm working on the second one. I have this vinyl sheeting. I'm actually just scraping off the glue right now, so that it's a pretty clean piece, and then I'm going to cut it down on the table saw to be the exact measurement that I need for the backing of the wood. So right now I'm just shaving off all the extra glue. Okay, as you can see, I got all this extra glue off of the side. And again, I don't need this whole sheet. I just need big enough for what I need it for. So in this case, it's gonna be there to there, then there to there. This is my other piece. That is not my other piece. There's my other piece. Oh yeah. My other piece is right here. So it's looking like I will just need a basic sheet. We're just gonna measure these and I'll just add it to there. And then that'll get cut down on my table saw. So I'm gonna keep working. Right now I'm just gonna start sanding these pieces down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stain them. And then I will put them together, cut that down, and then get things rolling. So I'll check back in.